Hey everybody, welcome back to my vlog. It's your girl Lan. So in this vlog, I'm gonna be doing a facial on my sister-in-law. I'm going to try to see if we can sneak in some videos. Hi guys, so I'm officially finished with all my clients today. I am so exhausted. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to vlog. I know you guys wanted to see, but today I think I will post a picture somewhere on the screen. I had a mom and daughter who came to do makeup and a facial and waxing today. So so it's Sunday morning, day 2 of my long 4 days break. I'm excited because I'm not gonna do anything whatsoever. Yesterday I had a few clients and yeah, I was really tired. The sun is in my face, guys. I was really tired yesterday, so I didn't do much after that. I just went to bed and I had to figure out something to do with my hair, guys. Oh my god, let me cover that back. Oh my lord, that is bad. My aunt made this bonnet for me. I got 2 of them, but the other one is a little bit too small, so I used the blue one a lot. Anyway, so today I'm going to unplait the rest of my hair and wash them, and I really want to blow them out and trim them today, so I don't know if that's possible. I'll see how they go. I'm supposed to be painting my room tomorrow. I'm excited about that. Guys, here's my face, the sun. Yeah, I have to get ready for meeting. Meeting starts at 9:30, and yeah, so I'm gonna get ready for that. So as you can see, my wall looked really bad and I really had to change the color, and I'm changing it to a nice is it like a baby yellow or a mellow yellow, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks at the end. So I had to make a quick run to a hardware store because I have some frames, some wall pictures that I really wanted to spray paint them gold to match the yellow wall in the living room. And I got this really nice color here that I'm going to spray them, and they should look like brand new.
$14
What color is it? It's blue. This is blue, this is silver, this is orange, green,
silver.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna let them dry. Actually trying to recover from a flu I had. I was gonna also doing some work as well, so I mean, when you tell somebody you're not feeling well, they automatically think you have COVID, and that's like, there's no more flu, there's no more just being sick. It's all about COVID. So this week, this is the week of the New Year's holiday. So I went into the New Year feeling sick. How sad is that? And anyways, yeah. So I'm just going to end this vlog here, and I'll show you guys a sneak peek for next week vlog, my parents' anniversary. So this is actually the week before, and I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next one.